YouTube, baby, man. What's going on, man? It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Bringing y'all another video, man. If y'all ain't made it this far, man, make sure y'all hit that comment section, man, and let your boy know what's going on with y'all life, how y'all living during this quarantine life, man. Also, hit that like button, man. Like this video already. You know it's gonna be a bang because your boy Slick Rick is on the camera. Also, man, go and subscribe to the channel, man. If you ain't made it this far, man, we going up all 2020, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to all my homeboys that I be putting on in the channel as well. Also, go back and browse through the channel and subscribe to them. Like them videos, comment, share. Tell me what y'all think about it, man. I'm finna go two things. Probably finna go pick up a gift or whatever, and then also probably get some work done to Ghost real quick, man. I ain't crunk up Gross in a long time, man. So let me go in and fire everything up. Oh, I got the door open. That joint ain't gonna do it. Let's try this again. Take two.
A few moments later.
What? All right, too, man. Your boy done made it up here to the spot, man. As y'all can see where we at, man. I told y'all we're finna get some work done. We're finna go all up 2020, man. Right here. I got the salesman himself. Where he at? Oh, he ducked off. Chris right here, man. Go and shout it out, Chris, man. Where they can find you at?
My Instagram is king_drip 3011. I sell shoes, wallets, watches, purses, anything you want.
Hey, man, y'all come get at this boy, man. He been trying to sell me something since I've been here. Trying to improve my drip, man. But you know, I'm old. I can't keep up with these youngsters no more, man. Let me flip this camera around and show y'all see right here, man. Y'all see who car this is? The man himself, Audio Cat. Y'all come get at him, bro. Dude did his own wide body on his car. And you can tell, bro, that thing look like it's a 2020 wide body, bro. There ain't no defaults in it or nothing, man. Make sure y'all come see the dude, bro. Ain't no mistakes, no nothing on his car. Excuse me, that man. But y'all see what's going on, bro. This thing look nice and looking tight, man. Make sure y'all get him subscribed on the tube. Like I was saying, man, dude did his own wide body. He had a 2015 Hellcat, slapped that wide body kit on there, man. And I'm telling you, bro, it really looks better than what Dodge putting out. On the truth, man. Y'all come get him. And this is Sun car right here, man. He just went pick this thing up like 2 days ago. Now, you know how we feel about Mustangs on this Mopar side, man. But hey, I'm gonna give him the respect, man. Boy got him a 5.0, big rim rolls on that thing, man. Got the red guts on the inside. Make sure, hey, I got the phone number right there. Y'all come get at him, man. Thing looking right, looking tight. I don't know who 300 this is right here, but this thing look nice too, man. It might be King Tony Snow. Might be, I don't think it is. Nah, I don't think this is Tony's. Somebody else got them things sitting on there, man. I'm finna take a walk around the grill. Even got, look at that radio right there. Even got seasons on the thing, boy. That thing looking right. Ooh. Ooh, this hoe looking clean, boy. I don't know who this is. Slime Cat. This thing looking nice. Got the red badge on there. I wonder if you want to trade rims with me. This thing looking dope. Hey, there he is, right there. I get at him, man. 6'2" Angel.
He's Hellcat. That's you, Slick, right? So I got a question for you, Slick.
What's going on?
You got the wrong shirt on to be behind the shop. Hustle.
How's that?
Let me show y'all. Cause this is what's going on, man. We got my boy Hustle over here up in the building, man. He's actually Hellcat Slick up in the building, but
I ain't got my merch on today.
I know it's okay, cause I ain't got my merch on today either. But this is what I do have to tell you:
what's going
that
on?
he's wearing the wrong shirt to be back here. What do you say, Real? In fact, Drew,
Shirt.
do me a favor. We got a customer that wants to be helping back here. Let's hook him up with the toolkit. So this is what's happening, man. We got you set up here to the point where when you come by the store, if you want to come and be back at the store, you have to be an employee due to insurance. If you come back in, you're not an employee. We have to make you look like an employee. So we give him the customer toolkit. Now the toolkit comes with his own little hammer to hammer things in, screwdriver. He also has this tool here because we do custom boxes here. So he's able to cut wood faster than anything else. On top of that, he also has on top of here his first rakes that he's gonna need, and he's gonna have these. So when we're building things, we have blocks. Now here goes the catch-22. This also comes with the fee, because I paid 26 years of doing this, plus over $7,000 in school to learn what I do, and he wants to learn it for free. So we're gonna do it to him for $19.99.99. $2,000. He can learn everything we do, and he can watch his car get built. What do y'all think, you two? What do you think?
I think it's a fair deal.
That toolkit is the only thing that stays in the shop.
Nobody
and never
wants
gets lost.
Man, look at this.
Man, this is Mobile Cat. If you don't know who this is, man,
I know.
This is actually a Puerto Rican era. Cool ass people. We were just talking about a minute ago, man. This guy has been loyal to me from day one. From the day I met you, he's been good and loyal to me, man. So
That's my brother. That's my brother.
He comes here and he needs something, you know, he's got it, man. I mean, he do what he got to do today. He got flows. Bro, I got a lot of brothers now. I want you to know.
Yeah, I see it, man. I got my own personal toolkit. Somebody be doing a little something, man. But I got the famous rail on the car, man.
Hey, come on, man.
Hey, look. Like he say, he ain't famous, but he out here getting that work in, man.
Hey, come on,
He a
man.
real
Famous
home.
people don't work, man.
They sure don't. Famous people don't get
work.
their hands dirty.
You know what I'm saying?
Man, he out here getting my
Some
car.
people get big-headed, man. We still stay humble, man.
Of course, man.
You know?
Of course, man.
We don't
A
get
real
big-headed
individual
around
right here, man. You pull up on him anytime, man. Talk to him about anything. He a real OG, man.
I'm always here, man. I'm always here for my
Always.
people.
Especially, man. He ain't supposed to be here today. He came straight from Tennessee. Come to work. It came to hop on the cat and help your boy out, man.
Man, when I could have stayed at home, relaxed, you know what I'm saying? Because that was a full 14-hour drive. And I did it in like 16 hours because I stopped at my dad's house, then I stopped at my mom's house, then I stopped and got something to eat. So it came out to be a good 16-hour day. You know what I'm saying?
Man, that's real. Man, that's real right there, man.
Come on, man.
That is real. You don't get no realer than that. I came from.
He got some big plus stuff.
Oh, you do? Now I came from a Chevy now.
I don't know what that is.
What is it? I want you to tell me what it is. It look like a box to me.
It is a box. Now go ahead. It's a little messy. Come on over.
All right. You can put the store ceilings inside your car.
I'm in the process of it.
Okay.
So go ahead and show YouTube.
Oh, guys. Boy, look at. Oh man, that boy, Basehead Drew, what they call him, man.
He is the mechanic. How many years you been a mechanic?
Like 25 years.
About 25 years, okay. On the car, I was telling him about his car. When you're driving the car, you know the car's supercharger.
Yeah.
Don't you have to drain the fallopian tubes? Papi, I'm telling you, don't you? Or you just run it with the same liquid all the time?
No, you gotta change it.
You gotta change it.
Yeah.
Because if you don't change it, what happens?
You blow up your engine.
You gotta drain your fallopian tubes, y'all.
All
I'm
right.
telling y'all need to drain your fallopian tube. How many months?
If you drive a thumb down type of car, make drain the fallopian tube, man.
Every oil
change.
you can drain your fallopian tube.
Okay.
The fallopian
Now I know.
tubes is very important
Why?
because it make diarrhea to the car.
Exactly.
Car diarrhea.
Wait a minute.
And then you can literally say you're shitting on everybody. That's what I'm saying.
Exactly.
This is how you know y'all shot, but y'all come up with that bull. Y'all come up with that bull, man.
Because we say, no, so we're going to come out with the opening and we're going to tell him, okay, you say you watch my videos, right?
I do.
So what's a fallopian tube?
Oh man. Okay.
Damn, I watch a video.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Damn, that's so many.
It's inside of the woman's body. It has nothing to do with the damn car.
A
Yeah.
fallopian tube is where the woman has her genital area and has the baby's hole. That's the fallopian tube.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. See,
So you want to drain those out once in a blue moon.
Okay.
And it got
Keep
shit
it happy.
to do with your Hellcat.
Man, see, that's what I'm. See, man.
The Achilles tendon.
See, we was cool the first half, but no, man.
You said you knew one of our tests, but you didn't know both of our tests.
I didn't know that one. Okay,
Yeah, that means you skipped that video right
No.
at that part.
You know what? That tells me he don't watch our commercials either.
Yeah.
He be one of those fat forward, drop it
Yeah.
in his wing watch.
No.
You skip
Hey, you
commercials?
get that. I'm editing you. I'm
Come here.
editing you.
No, wait a minute.
I'm editing you out. I'm editing you out.
He don't support us. He don't watch our commercials.
Look, I watch your commercials, man.
Hey, I ain't supporting him no more. Forget your problem. Take another week off.
Hey, that's
No boy, nothing.
2 hours later.
Oh man, y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all know
So the switch is down here too.
All right.
Right here, where
Okay.
you can turn on and off.
All right.
You know. Let me get this little sticker off.
Yeah.
Get this thing clamped out. Dang! Come on, sticker.
You got fingernails and can't grab it, man?
I ain't got them in his fingernail.
He don't know what he's doing down there, man. That's what it is. Real ain't been down
That's
there.
all I need to do.
He ain't been down there in a long time, so.
Yeah,
He ain't been down there. Yeah.
Okay, I guess I ain't cleaned out the fallopian tube in a while.
Yes. Yeah, man, but they got me right, man. Let me go and get that walk around so y'all can see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on? The thing flipping. Oh, yeah.
You can order yourself. We can install them.
I'm going to do this right now, man. I might not get a chance to end this video, man. But it's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Bringing y'all another video, man. As y'all can see, I'm out here getting that work done with my boy Audio Cat and my boy Real to Real, man. They hooking ghost up for real, man. But like I said, man, make sure y'all like this video. Y'all comment, y'all subscribe. Y'all subscribe to both of their channels, man. They going up all 2020. And also, man, like I'm saying, this giveaway is getting for real, man. Now we up to 80 subscribers, I believe, man. So remember, subscribe to the channel, share it on all platforms, DM me your Cash App name, man. That's the 3 things you got to do right there, man. So make sure y'all get at me, bro. We going up all 2020. Show the channel love, man. Share everything. Put your mama on, your daddy, your side piece, your granny. Just put everybody on. Tell everybody about your boy Hellcat Slick, your boy out here, man. So I'm out of here. I'm gone, man. Holla at you.